Alright, in this video we're going to go ahead and take a look at the wpGraphicStudio for Windows application. One question I get asked all the time is, what is wpGraphicStudio? It's pretty self-explanatory to anyone that's an affiliate marketer or an internet marketer, but I do get asked that question very frequently, practically daily. So I'm going to go ahead and answer that here. wpGraphicStudio is an application that's used to design internet marketing and affiliate marketing graphics. Things such as what you see here: affiliate boxes, banners, e-covers, belcher boxes, buttons, content lists, guarantee certificates, headlines, notice boxes, price grids, product showcases, QR codes, social QR code boxes, testimonials, video overlays for both YouTube and Google Hangouts, WordPress headers, and the list goes on, and it just keeps growing. The product that we're going to take a look at here is the Windows version of wpGraphicStudio. This application run on any Windows based operating system. Of course, it's PC, it's not Mac. I don't have a personal preference for Mac, so it's for PC. I don't have much of a demand for a Mac version. If there is a demand or it does come up, then I may do a version for Mac. If you would like to see a Mac version, go to wpGraphicStudio.com and you can submit it in the request section of the support forum. If you also would like to take a look at our internet-based version, which is the WordPress plugin version of wpGraphicStudio, with that version you can run a membership-based website where you can offer the tools on the membership site that you put on your domain, and charge a monthly, yearly, or lifetime subscription fee, and members will be able to access the tools through the web-based version. They'll be able to create graphics, download them, email them to themselves when they're completed, and on and on. They can pretty much whatever you can do with the Windows-based version, you can do with the online version as well. Of course, there's going to be some slight differences, but for the most part, all the features are the same. What we're going to do, we'll take a look at a couple of these. They all have mostly the same features. Some modules do have other features, like the e-covers module has features that some of the others don't, simply because that particular graphic type doesn't require that feature. You can view an online demo at demo.wpGraphicStudio.com, and you can view a demo of each one of the individual modules. We'll take a look at the e-covers first. And here is what the e-cover looks like in the Windows-based version. We're going to go ahead and we'll select the template here, and you can change the text. You can move the text areas around, and so on. We will cover more tutorials and other videos that will also be available on wpGraphicStudio.com. We're going to go ahead and make this is what's called a 2D e-cover that you see right here. We're going to make that into a 3D. You can make any changes to the application that you want. You can move the text areas around, you can change the text, and so on. Once you have that done and you have it the way you want it, then you just go ahead and click the 3D button. It'll bring up the 20 plus different styles that we have to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and choose this DVD case here, and I'm going to go ahead and render it. It'll take it through a rendering process, and once it's completed, it will display the completed e-cover on your screen, just like so. That's pretty good, ain't it? If you want to go ahead and use that e-cover, then you simply click on it, and when you click on it, it will open up a box for you to save it, and you can transfer that e-cover to any file on any directory or folder on your computer. What that does is that moves it from the Windows application into the folder that you want it in. And if you go to the graphic gallery and you go to if you notice, each one of the modules has a graphics gallery. If you go to the graphic gallery, go to eCovers, and when we go to the 3D eCovers gallery, we can see all of the eCovers that we have created. And from here you can delete the eCover, download the eCover, or you can click this link below any eCover to create a new one and basically go back to the eCover generator. And we can take a look at another one. It's the same, pretty much the same process. This is the affiliate boxes, and we can download that directly to any file that we want to take it out of the application, or we can save it to a gallery, and there it is, and we can move it to any directory that we want by clicking on it. And we can go back to the graphic gallery and we can see the one we created. We can download it and move it to a different directory by simply clicking on it. As you can see, the Windows based version is pretty easy to use. It's not too difficult. It doesn't require you to be connected to the internet. It doesn't require an internet connection, and the graphics that you create are always there. So if a web server goes down, it doesn't matter, you're still going to have what you created. And that pretty much wraps it up. Again, if you're interested in the web-based version, which is the WordPress plugin for running your own membership graphics related site, you can see that at wpGraphicStudio.com. If you have any questions, you can feel free to post them in the support forum under the basic support. Thank you. Have a good day.